Hi everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and if you're having trouble manifesting or need to manifest something very quickly and don't have time to do 30 days or 28 days and you need something within days, this is the technique for you. Now, today I'm going to talk about the 55 times 5 scripting technique, okay, or scripting method. This is a powerful technique and we're going to learn how to do it correctly and why it works, okay? This is important. But before we get started, if you want to support this channel, please like, subscribe, tap the bell, because this is your channel where you're getting all your spiritual knowledge, metaphysical knowledge, rituals, anything you want to know about manifestation right here. So again, support the channel. And if you want to, please get out there and purchase my Simple Money Rituals book that contains everything from manifesting money, career, winning at the lotto. Everything is in this book. Even pay me back my money, okay, you guys? So when it comes down to manifesting money or prosperity, this is the book you want to have. Please look in the description. It is right there. Now, let's get to the 55 times 5 right now. Okay, you guys, why the 55 times 5? 5 is a powerful number, you guys, okay? When we think of the number 5, we're thinking of only one thing, and that is change. Whoa, change, change, change. Now, when we talk about change, we're meaning change in your world, change in your reality, change with whatever it is that's going on in your life. So when you see 55 or 55-5 or 50-55, 55, any type of fives that keep popping up in your world, know that change is about to happen for you. Now, how can we use this number to promote, to basically manifest the things that we want in our lives? We're going to write whatever it is that we desire 55 times, you guys. And we're going to do it for 5 days. Now, again, using the 5. Now, why does this work? This works because when you write something over and over and over again, we all know as metaphysical students or using the law of attraction that whatever we focus on, whatever we state is true in our lives, basically is what we will see in our future and our present. Now, what are we doing with this? When you're writing something down 55 times, you're paying attention to what you're writing. You're imagining what you're writing. And you're telling your subconscious mind that this is my reality. This is what I have. And this is what I want more of. Remember, your subconscious mind do not know the difference between what is imagined and what is real. It pays attention to your feelings, everyone, and what you keep looking at and what you keep focusing on. So now, how are we going to do this technique? The first thing you're going to do, you're going to get something to write on and with. So you can use something like a $3 book, $2 book, whatever you find in the dollar store, or you can get a composition book, which is basically $1 or $2 at Staples or whatever, or you can invest in a journal, okay? This is my favorite journal, you guys, okay? And you're going to write this out. Now, how are you going to do it? You're going to make a statement of whatever it is you want. Now, here's the tip. Here's the secret. I need you to keep it short, because if you're writing something out 55 times, we don't want it to be a chore, okay? We want it to be something happy, something fun to do. So when you're writing something out 55 times and you're writing it as a book, you are not going to reach the 55 times, or you're going to be so discouraged, you're not going to want to do it. And that's the energy you're placing in this, okay? So keep it short, no more than 2 lines, 2 sentences, okay? So let's just say you want a promotion at your job and it's coming up in the next month. So you might write, "Thank you, God, for blessing me with my promotion. I now have my promotion working with the best people in the best location for the best pay." Plain and simple. You can even make it even shorter than that. Let's just say you desire to be married to your boyfriend or girlfriend, okay? You might want to write something like, "Thank you, God, for blessing me with marriage. I am married and we are very happy." Whatever. Again, we're focusing on things you want to happen right away, okay? And you're going to write that 55 times for 5 days. Now, here's the tip. while you're writing this, I want you to read it as you're writing it. So not only are you writing it, which is scripting, but you're verbalizing it, which is affirmations. I then want you, after you finish doing it, to sit back and relax and just imagine you getting that promotion, or people saying congratulations, which is a good one, or someone putting a ring on your finger, or you being happily married. Whatever it is, I just want you to see the end result as if this is already true. Now, another tip, as you're writing your affirmation, again, I want you to keep it short. I want it to be clear. I want it to be in present tense as if this is already true in your life. I want you then to be grateful. Thank you. Okay? I want you to also show feelings. I am so happy. I am so grateful. Okay? I am so excited. These things are going to add in emotions. It's going to add in gratitude, and it's going to add in as a present tense as if this is already your reality. And that is it. Now, again, how long are you going to do this technique? You're going to do it for 5 days, you guys. Again, the number of change. Now, another tip, after you do this technique each night, you might want to take it and place it under your pillow. Let it be the last thing you think of for the night, okay? And again, take action. If you're trying to get that promotion, talk to people, put in that resume, whatever it is. Take action, expect it, but do not look over your shoulder every minute for it. Just know that the universe is blessing you. Say thank you and keep moving on. Again, if you want to know more about scripting techniques, go to my playlist, my scripting technique playlist. Again, if you want to know anything about money manifestation and money rituals, get my book. And if you want to know other scripting techniques, please go on in the description and go get my It Works or 369 scripting technique if you love scripting. Again, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and namaste.